Hi everyone, welcome to Cock channel. Today I'll show you how to make this adorable bird-shaped pancake. First, take a white pipe cleaner, fold it in half, then cut it at the center. Fold it in half again and twist it together to form a round, chubby frame. Adjust it until the frame is nice and round. Coil one end of the white pipe cleaner. Glue it onto the round frame. Apply glue and wrap it around the frame. Keep wrapping until you reach the end of the white pipe cleaner. Attach half a green pipe cleaner and continue wrapping until the frame is completely filled. It should look like this. Take a beige pipe cleaner and coil it into a flat circle. Apply glue as you wrap. Attach another pipe cleaner and keep wrapping. Add another pipe cleaner and continue wrapping. Make two pieces, one large and one small. Add a little color for contrast. Shape a pink pipe cleaner into a small loop for the bird's beak. Glue it in place. Attach the plastic eyes. Add a little blush to the cheeks. Shape two small wings. Trim off the excess pipe cleaner. Glue the wings in place. Glue the little bird between the two pancakes. Shape a small piece of butter using a yellow pipe cleaner. Glue the butter onto the pancake. Coil a yellow pipe cleaner into a flat circle to make the plate. Attach another pipe cleaner and continue wrapping. Bend a pipe cleaner to create a decorative border like this. Glue it all the way around the edge of the plate. Glue the pancake onto the plate. Make a tiny strawberry. Glue it in place, and you're done. Give it a try. I'd love to see your finished creations.